In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to hide the clock in Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, you just have to navigate to the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please proceed to the option called time and language. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to bring up this window. Please proceed with date and time, which is being placed at the first. So here are the date and time settings. Okay, all you need to do is you need to navigate here where you can see show time and date in the system tray. So as you can see there a switch option. All you need to do is you need to turn this off. And the moment you turn this off, you would be able to hide your clock or the time and date information on the taskbar. So as you can see, the date and time has been hidden here in the taskbar. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.